Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm just unboxing this reciprocating saw that I purchased from Temu. It's a very good deal. I just purchased it around $40. It's from the brand Kitesder and it has come with cordless battery, okay, and 3 blades I have got. So I'm gonna open the blades for you, and it has also got this charger and this battery, okay. So first I'm gonna open the blade. So actually here are 4 blades, 3 of them are for wood and 1 is metal. Perfect. Considering the cost, I have got a very good one. And yeah, and I'm gonna attach the battery here. So now I have attached the battery. So this is the safety lock, okay. Now you see you cannot press the button because it is on this side, but if I change it to the other side, I can do, and I can attach the saw here, okay. I have the blade here. So this is guys like 4 blades, battery, charger, and this tool I have got in just around $40. I'll make another video where I'll describe how to use the blades, how to attach the blade, etc. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.